Once again, this is Sean Phila coming at you from SOS. The best food you can see. As you see, man, look at this. Onion rings, hot dogs, sweet honey mustard, ketchup, a little bit of nice soda. I'm telling y'all, it's the best restaurant in South Street. Or Philly, #1. Y'all missing it. You don't know what you're missing. You don't have to take my word for it. You have to see it for yourself. Facebook and Twitter. Like I said, come down here. Hot dog combo is the best. I recommend it. It's just showing up, coming at you. From SOS Restaurant, Steaks on South Street. 8th and South. Check me out. Nice place. Like I said, you don't know what you're missing. Holla at your boy. Peace.